Thank you, kind sir. Doobie doobie doo. We're getting Mexican food. Looking at that with this guy. Well, hello. I just finished getting the and my eyebrows done. It is like super awesome. So that's gonna win all the stress of this week, or last week, the week before that, and gonna drink this drink, and then go shopping, and then go to a baby shower. Everyone's too pumped up. So yeah, after shopping, baby shower, the Incredibles. I got more birthday stuff. Thanks to you. What did you get me?
Coach.
Coach. I got Coach. We went to the mall and they were having a sale. And well, Michael Kors was also having a sale, but Coach was having a better sale. Like they had the same percentage off, but then Coach also had like an additional 20% off, and then you could like bundle things, and it was so good. I don't know how long the sale is lasting, but it was good. What is this?
Pajamas too.
Yeah. I can't believe people are afraid of this movie. But yeah, so I completely forgot to vlog while we were out. Super awesome. So yeah, so this is what we're doing. Then we're gonna go to the movies. We decided to skip the baby shower because my stomach was hurting, because you know it's the time of the month, but my stomach was hurting. And at first we were gonna go home, and then I was like, no, let's like try, I want to like try and breathe through it. So yeah, so we did a little bit of shopping and then came home, and then we're gonna go see the Incredibles later. Yay! And then probably go to Target and Bed Bath & Beyond because we need a power strip for the office. So once we go and do all of that, I will keep you guys updated. Yay vlog!
Bye.
You're a dork.
That was the explosion. 1 minute they were having a wonderful time, and the next...
You have no idea what could have caused us.
About what could have done that?
On our way to Target.
Target.
Yay!
Target.
You happy about Target? That would be a negatory. See you there. We are in Target. So we're in Target looking for beach crap for the beach tomorrow. Okay. Watch my camera.
Is it on? Oh.
Have one, I have one. The other one we have isn't gonna work because it has the top of the thingy open. Okay. Onward, young steed. Oh my god, Clarence. Look away, cat, look away. we can't find an umbrella thing, that'll at least do the trick.
Yeah, there's him right there.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so we're finally here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Mama,
What do you want to say?
yes, click on the link below. Check the description box.
Okay, so we're all here for my birthday celebration brunch. We were late, but we're still waiting on some other late bloomers, late people. We're waiting on our food. I have this, I don't know what drink this is, I forgot. It's summer ready because I'm summer ready.
5 right now.
So, yes. We're gonna wait on our food, and then after we eat, it is either gonna be the beach or the pool. We'll figure all of that stuff out. So I will see you when the food comes.
What happened if I fell in?
You get back onto the boat.
Nope. I'm giving up.
You can float.
Nope. I'm giving up.
Swim?
I can't swim by choice.
I mean, you don't have a jacket on either.
Nope. I did the dolphin spray. This is what happened on the cruise. I bought the dolphin spray. Mistakenly clicked deep instead of shallow, right? Good job. And once I got out there, I was like, okay, I'm good. I was walking out towards the dolphins. There was a drop. Now, I was not expecting it.
You got a vest on.
So once I heard that drop, I still went down. And then I was flailing down because I was so shocked. That's when all the dolphins saw me and all filmed me. Who knew
Trying to
dolphins?
save your life.
Who knew dolphins were so hard? Yeah, who knew dolphins were so hard? So as soon as those dolphins came, I was like, oh, I'm done. No, you gotta get raped by the dolphins. Yes, they all
I've heard that. I've heard that.
they rape people into like pain and like rape them.
Hey, dolphins, it ain't funny. It's the ocean or something like that.
I should come up now. You should tell them to bring up more when they're not working sometimes. You know he has social anxiety. What you mean? He's a bartender. He has social anxiety. He's a bartender.
You couldn't write this. You couldn't write this. This is hilarious.
Whatever you do, don't.
This is a happy birthday.
Yeah, you gotta bleep out everybody's name. Yeah.
Yes. Would you all like to be anonymous?
Oh, I don't have a problem.
Okay, cool.
I don't know the people we talking about.
Oh yes, no.
What's that shot?
It's the Bailey's for the Irish coffee.
Thank you. Oh gosh.
It gotta be what they get on. They don't have a smell to it. I would recommend.
I am dying.
Right.
Like, I'm being a great friend. And then they're lifting my dress. I'm like, stop. I'm like trying to kick my legs down and everything. They're like, so we like rush over there. And we're like, what happened? What? And tell the truth. My shoes. I get out the car. I'm like, okay, this rapping not that bad. So I get about two cars and I kind of like slip a little bit. You know Paige's gravel isn't gravel. It's rock.
Right.
I caught myself the first one. You did. On the car. Got to the next one. And then my foot.
Cómprame como unos 4 bolsas.
I put baby oil on. So I don't know if that's
Cómprame como unos 4
and with the fence and my foot turning, my shoes.
bolsas.
Right.
I'm sitting there looking all crazy. And they come to my rescue. It was like, a man comes out of nowhere. Oh yeah. Like, can I help you? Can I help you? What happened? He asked me, can I help you?
he was like, you know, he had walking. I was like, sorry, I can't even walk the shoe broke. So thank you though. And then
And then I ran over like a good friend that I am. Got to her. I was like, what size shoe do you wear? Doesn't matter. Take my shoes. I'll spray them to hot.
yeah, I had to answer. She's in Honduras
And
right
then
now.
they had to pick me up. And they carried me back to the car. And I'm wearing my sister's shoes. And they cleaned
She
them.
didn't go for mine.
Oh, you're such a good friend. You ain't laugh at her. I'm a terrible friend. I'd be like, oh, you okay?
Caught me might have chuckled a little bit before we helped.
Oh, y'all petty. Y'all know this is going on my channel, right? Bree is gonna find out.
We already do it anyway. She just has to blast it out because all the cameras are on her. Say that live one more time, please.
Make it clear. Let everybody know. Who don't you want to hate you?
In the camera. That's because we got all these secrets. We want to keep a secret. She can't do that. She doesn't have the luxury to have a secret. But you know who I don't like? Who's been annoying? Who? Ariana Grande. She got a new boyfriend.
No, she's engaged. They're engaged.
Yeah, they won't be together for too long.
But Peter, who did the rest of them? Yeah. Who? Peter dated.
Who did she? What has she been dating for like the last year? She had like 5 boyfriends.
She was a big Sean. She was and that was a long time ago.
Yeah. No, that was last year. I don't know how people date her. She looks like a little girl.
Did Big Sean in the
Some people are into that. That's probably why they date her.
You wondering why you dating that girl?
He has stories about people on his boat. Dating childlike victims.
children?
No, not actual children, but they date, like, they refuse to date anyone that's like over like 90 pounds.
They date like these little small Asian girls that are like 4 foot.
They ain't got no boob, no hip.
Nothing, not at all. And then they brag about it.
They're like,
I was like,
over there?
well, I mean, this is in Hawaii. So, I mean, right. But they'd be sitting there bragging on the boat. Oh, yeah. And I'm like, you're basically dating like the physical body type of a 10-year-old boy. What's wrong with you right now? It's not to brag about. No.
People are crazy.
I don't make it right.
And he did. I had to bust up his AirPods. Popped right in.
You can't go to the gym on a full stomach. You gotta throw all that out. When he puts on his cards,
That's what you know.
he done turned us all up.
That's the only reason he's still listening.
Okay, so we're not going to the beach. We are going to see The Incredibles. That's about it. I'm really buzzed. That's kind of really it. And then I don't know what for later. Cuddles. Cuddles. Coodles. Coodles for later. So I will see you when we get to the movies.